From News Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
Well, I was just showing this because we have a camera. Of course, this is the Tamarack Resort, and they've got a great shot here on top of the mountain. And this is the snow during the day, and you can see a few people riding the lifts through there, of course, and then, of course, in the snow. Wow, what a day, huh? A lot of fresh powder in that location, and that's the case for a lot of the Idaho mountains. Now, down here in the valley, you can see this on the roads right now. If you look right down through here, you can kind of see the shiny part of that. We've had some snow, we've had a little bit of rain. Temperatures tonight are going to be dropping down to the lower 20s by morning. There could be some areas of fog, so that means the visibility. And something else here is just watch the roads. If you're going to be traveling any at all, there could be some black ice quite easily, certainly some slick areas in many spots around the valley for today. In fact, Canyon County received pretty much rain in many spots. Right now it's 33 degrees and you can see a light snow shower, which is happening in areas. The current temperature happens to be a little warmer to the west. Boise 33, and it gets colder out toward Mountain Home at 30 degrees. So that freeway, yeah, for tonight, that could be really rough. And then when you look at the wind chills, well, 27 in Boise, 29 in Caldwell. As you look at that map right here, this is pretty much what we're seeing for tomorrow, okay, in the way of the temperatures during the day, even though it dries up after some morning fog. Well, here's a look at some of those showers that we had. And there's still a few out there around Caldwell. You can see a mixture of some rain and snow. And then right in Boise eastward, out toward Mountain Home, that's the one to watch, as I was talking about. That could become very slick for tonight out here on the freeway. And then for tomorrow morning, all locations could be pretty slick in areas. So just be cautious and watch for that, okay? Trying to protect everybody we can in these kind of snowy, wet conditions. Because look at your temperatures. Around Twin Falls, lows tonight will basically be dropping down into the 20s. You'll see those highs tomorrow just around 30. Sun Valley, temperature will be at 31. Haley at 30, 31 degrees for tomorrow. For tomorrow in McCall, only 26 with a low of 15. Garden Valley will get up to 35 degrees. Could be some slick areas there. The roads throughout the valley early in the morning, late tonight. As you look at those temperatures, eventually getting up just above freezing for tomorrow afternoon. And you can see around Boise, Mountain Home, we're still dealing with freezing temperatures, are pretty close. So for tonight, some areas of fog, temperature down to 23, tomorrow's high 33. Well, will that snow stick around? Will we get a little sunshine coming through? Likely will melt it on grassy areas. The only areas that the snow will stay is likely in shaded area. Now we do have a chance of some snow getting back here next Tuesday and Wednesday. These storms are not real definitive at this point at this time, but we do know that it's going to be bringing up the temperature a little bit. So in the valley, there could be a little rain that could be in some of that snow, as we mentioned that. So as you can see, there's some areas of fog in the morning for tomorrow. We've got a dry weekend that's going to be coming up, which is going to continue into the first part of next week. And we'll keep you informed about the rain or snow showers, especially starting next Tuesday or Wednesday.
Kind of a bummer that the mountains didn't get as much as they expected.
Oh, well, they did get quite a bit of snow. Yeah, some spots did get some, I know that around the Haley area, they had about 8 inches.
Wow.
And that was just in the last 36 hours or so.
So my snow dance worked.
It worked.
It probably did. All right, you're going to be doing that next week.
We thought it was going to be like feet and feet
Did my
and feet.
dab.
Feet and feet.
All right.